Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change date and time on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. When you start your Mac for the first time, macOS prompts you to select your time zone. It then sets the date and time automatically based on these settings. If you travel or want to reflect a different time zone for work, you can change the date and time on your Mac manually. How to do it? It's so simple. So, first of all, you can go to your system preferences. Now, you can go to date and time, click on date and time. In here, before we change the date and time, you can open this lock. You can click the lock to make change. You can enter your password. Now, you can change you can uncheck list on here. Set date and time automatically. Now you can change the date manually. Maybe like this for the date and this. It's very simple, right? You can just save it. So you can also to set date and time format, use language and region preferences. You can open the language and preferences. But we'll just do this manually like this. So here's how to change date and time on MacBook manually. And if you want to set your date and time automatically, you can just check listen here. Very simple, right? So that is how to change date and time on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.